Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Conclusion. While it's very clear that a 747 is unable to properly fly with the failure of 3 engines, we can see that a single functioning engine would at least extend the aircraft's distance and prolong its time in the air. 9 May 2020.
Take our lead.
It also has 10-passenger 747-8s. Unfortunately, they are all also listed as parked. While the carrier has not disclosed any plans for its jumbos, it is difficult to say how many will return to active service. Meanwhile, Korean's 12 747 freighters are all still flying. 11 November 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Whilst 4 engines was traditionally seen as safer, this is not necessarily the case. Jet aircraft have proved very reliable, with very few cases of dual-engine failure. The possibility of a single-engine failure is of course higher when you have 4 engines rather than 2.23 October 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Engine loss rarely happens. If there's one thing you take away from this, know that it's pretty rare for a commercial airliner to lose an engine. Jet engines fail on just 1 in a million flights worldwide. Mechanical failure, like losing an engine, only accounts for about 17% of all fatal accidents involving aircraft. 24 April 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.